Yeah, good morning, all of you. Now, this video which I am, creating, this will help you to send assignments as well as receive assignments in MS Teams. Okay, so let's see how can I do it. So I'll open up Microsoft Teams and see I land in my own account because by default my user ID and password are entered. And now suppose 11th science. Okay, yesterday I took a class in 11th science. So 11th science, I go to my class computer science. Here yesterday I have given them 3 questions to do, and I have asked them, please send me all the answers in my own channel, that is computer science. What they have done is they have opened up MS Teams. For them also 11th science will be visible. This 11th science team, they have get inside 11th science team, and in the computer science channel what they have, they will see the same kind of screen which is in front of you. And few people have posted here under this post, because there are 3 things: posts, files, notes. Okay, under posts what they have done is, see, Priyansh Rajput and Aditya Chachra, they have sent the Python assignments with the help of here down below. You can see the there is a, here if you see, attach. What they have done is they have clicked on this. Okay, and then they have picked up the files from their system. Again I do it, see, I click here upload from my computer. So from here, from the desktop, if they have completed an assignment, it might be a PDF file, it might be a Word document, they have picked it up from here, opened it, and then finally they have sent the send icon is here. So once they click here, then it will be available here. So available here means for me this will be available. I can see the assignments here. Okay, even in files also I have asked few students to use this also. What they have done, they have created a folder. Even Lakshay has uploaded the complete folder. Then Aditya has uploaded the zip file. Okay, once Batra has uploaded the zip file. These are all things they have explored. So from to here means if they need to upload here, what they can do is use this, see, upload. From here they can go to the desktop and then select a folder and then upload. This is one way they can. If they have created the assignments in their Google Drive, they can upload the link also, right? If I need to download in my own system as a teacher, what I'll do is I'll click here. I can download. If I want to click, I want to download this particular thing. Here there's an option called download link. Okay, this I can do it. I hope you understood this. This is very simple. Receiving assignments, sending assignments. If I need to send an assignment, how do I do it? I can do it from here also. Okay, I can straight away go to post, and then I do it from my side. Suppose as a teacher I click here, I open up the Word document or PDF file of my assignment and I post it. So it will be visible here in my computer science channel posts. Okay, so the children can pick up the assignments from here, from the post, or I can do it in files also. So but for what I think, for the all the teachers teaching different subjects can use these posts. Okay, from here they can pick up and send. Okay, I hope I am clear about the sending assignments and receiving assignments. Okay, thank you very much.